Guys, I've bought some Korean books to learn Korean, obviously, from Talk to Me in Korean. If you guys are planning to learn in Korean, I'm sure you've heard of this before. I'm just trying to flip it over to the other side. So you can see it comes in a box like this. So it arrived in pretty good condition. Oh no, it's really heavy. As you can see, it's 4.5 kg, so it's really heavy. Okay, I'm gonna get going and open and show you guys what's inside. So this is what's in the box, and I've ordered level 1 to 5 books because they were in a bundle, like discount, so you can see the number of books. So they were wrapped in bubble wraps. Oh, and I've also got Hangeul Master, which will teach you how to write the Hangeul characters. So yeah, so it's still in very good condition because of the bubble wraps. So I'm gonna see what's inside. So from what you can see here is this is the book I mentioned earlier, Hangeul Master. So I've not learned Korean before, and the only Korean that I know are from watching dramas, because I've been like watching Korean dramas and been a fan of Korean dramas since I was really young, like when I was 9 or 10. So that's when I started watching Korean dramas and also variety shows, and that's where I pick up a lot of the vocabulary, but still I can't really read Hangul because I never took the effort to memorize it. So I figured this book would be a good start because it teaches you the proper way of writing it, and how to pronounce it by the shape of the mouth, because like Korean, I think like Koreans is pretty tricky when it comes to pronunciation, like their M and B might sound similar and things like that. And yeah, so this is how Hangeul Master looks like. And then like another thing I like about this book is, which is why I got this book, is they give you like native Korean writing, so you can see, you can try and decipher, and also like, you know, to learn your own way of writing Korean like a native. And then so there you have phrases, and yeah, and also try to read their rating. So some can be pretty messy, some can be really nice, and yeah. And the front part is obviously, like I've shown you, how you pronounce and how to write it properly, the strokes and all. So that's the Hangeul Master. And so they have 5 levels of workbook here, and these are the textbooks. So for instance, I'm not going to start from level 5, I'll start from level 1. So there is greetings to numbers, learn the fundamentals of conversations in Korean. And so there you have the normal, 안녕하세요, and then there, blah blah blah. And there are also like track numbers where you can go online and search for the tracks where you can actually listen to their conversation, so you can learn the proper way of pronouncing it, and the intonation, and also the exercises for each lessons. And then obviously the verb, the grammar, and so yeah, so that's how it is in level 1. So it say here, talk to me in Korean level guide, 1 to 3 is for beginners, 4 to 7 is for intermediate learners, 8 to 10 is for advanced learners. And I haven't started looking at it yet. As you can see from the video, I just got the books today. I will keep you guys in touch, like if these books are any good for really like beginners, like zero knowledge of any Korean. And these are the workbooks, so they're separated into levels as well, and these ones are in accordance to this ones. So here you can see again, like the proper way of writing it, and vocabulary, dictation, writing practice, comprehension. So this would be like helpful in like it's in addition to the textbooks, and I feel like the first step is definitely to learn Hangul first, otherwise you'll be having difficulties. And they've included a small booklet there. It's just basically telling you like what other books they have. Like so, yeah, Korean slang, sentence patterns, and the curriculum. So you can order it on Amazon, or you can go to their website, Talk to Me in Korean, and order them. Now they have promotion for bundle. So I bought these books for including shipping. I think it was $200. It's EMS Express shipping. And so you can see these ones here. And then the intermediate level and advanced level. There. So currently it seems like they only have up until level 5. I'm not sure if they have books up until level 10 yet. So yeah. And also, if you don't want them in physical books because it's expensive, you can always get them in ebook format, like PDF format. It's much cheaper. And they also have videos on YouTube, which is absolutely free of charge, as stated here. And yeah, so these are all the books they have currently. And do check them out. This is the website, talktomeinkorean.com. So yeah, and that's the Hangul book I bought there. So yeah, that's all for today. I will keep in touch with you guys and see how I progress, because I'm a full-time adult, like working adult, so I don't really have time to go through them like really intensive class. So the most I can spend is an hour a week. So I'm gonna try and do that and see if it works. So thanks for watching today, and I hope you'll find this useful, and do check out their website if you're planning to learn Korean. See you next time.